We're going, honey. Go ahead. This way. This way. Go to the tree.
No.
Yes, go to the Christmas tree. See what Santa brought. Beautiful?
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You can sit on that chair, sweetie. That's the long way, but okay.